U.S. Ambassador to Kenya Meg Whitman has spoken out regarding the ongoing protests by Kenyan youths against President William Ruto's government. This marks her first public statement on the situation as the country enters the fifth week of protests, which have resulted in over 50 deaths. In a statement, the U.S. Embassy expressed deep regret over the loss of life and the destruction of livelihoods. The Embassy of the United States of America notes with profound regret the loss of life and destruction of people's livelihoods and calls on all actors to remain peaceful and respect the rule of law. We are deeply concerned by reports of violence, including shootings and abductions of protesters, journalists, and others, the statement read. The embassy highlighted the importance of constructive engagement from citizens and civil society supported by a free and independent media as essential components of democracy. These values, shared by both the U.S. and Kenya, must be protected. The statement also urged the police to exercise restraint and protect the rights of people to demonstrate peacefully. It called on provocateurs and opportunists to avoid blocking roads and looting businesses, emphasizing that all actors, police and protesters alike, should reject violence and be held accountable for any wrongdoing. As a longtime ally and partner to Kenya, the U.S. Embassy acknowledged the Kenyan government's recent remarks on addressing public grievances. It encouraged the government to continue making progress on issues such as corruption and accountability to promote national unity and reconciliation. This is an important moment for all Kenyans to demonstrate the democratic values we share, the statement concluded, emphasizing the need for both countries to strive for stronger democracies that deliver peace and prosperity for their citizens.